We're rolling?
Rolling.
Let's do it. Chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. We got Ashton Small.
Yeah.
My brother from Rwanda.
Rwanda. Just say Rwanda.
Rwanda. How do I say W's? How do I say W?
W.
W in Rwanda.
Rwanda. Just say Rwanda.
Rwanda.
No. Pronunciation. Wait. Rwanda.
Rwanda.
Yeah. Just Gwinurari.
The Rwanda.
Just say
Rwanda.
Yeah.
The Rwanda. It's love. It's love. W's in the chat. Where y'all at, man? It's 6 p.m. right now. We about to go work out. We just posted our first run video. Super excited about that. As you guys can see, I usually don't do captions. I usually just put up, like, you know, when I was with Indian Ash, it was a crazy moment. He'll be out here within the next 2 days as well. But when I was with him, I just put Indian Ash. Or when I do like my run videos, I usually just put something chill, like lock in, keep going. But when I met Ashton Small, what's your government name? What's your actual name?
Actually,
your birth name?
Yeah, Enoch.
Enoch?
Yeah.
Enoch?
Yeah, it's a name from my parents.
Enoch?
Enoch Uize.
Is that what you go by? Enoch?
Enoch
Uize.
Yeah.
When I met my guy Enoch, right? He had a story, you know what I'm saying? And his biggest thing for me, oh, we gotta get up on the story. I gotta put something on the story real quick. The promo on the story. I need a promo on the story. But yeah, when I met my guy Enoch, he told me his biggest push was disability not inability, right?
Disability is not inability.
Disability is not inability. So for me, I just got piped up. I was lit, you know what I'm saying? He started making the routine videos. As you guys know, I came out here to find African National Hall, and I noticed his videos, and I'm like, dang, like, this dude's still getting it in, like, you know what I'm saying? He rocked up. You know, he had like 40,000 followers. He was posting every single day. You started with 40K, right? Yeah, 40,000 followers, and now he's at today. You hit 200,000.
Yeah.
200,000.
Yeah.
Okay, 200,000, and you had a video hit 100 million, right?
Yeah, 100 million video.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
So he's getting the views, and I felt like, you know, God is pushing him to the world because he has a story to tell. So I wanted to know, you know, what it was that was keeping him going, like what was pushing him forward. And he told me disability is not inability. And I'm like, shoot, if he can do it, the whole world can. You know, where you at? But nah, this Wi-Fi ain't working for me though. This Wi-Fi not working.
Refresh.
We're 2 minutes away from the gym right now. I'm trying to get this little story post up. Nah, it ain't working. Oh yeah, it is. Boom. Copy. Do we have the actual picture?
No picture, just a picture. You're just gonna do a picture today.
Oh, picture, all right, man. Should I do it in the gym?
Yeah, they're gonna see.
Or should I do it right here?
They're gonna see you do a picture live.
I love you should just do it right here, no?
You wanna do it, you and him, real quick?
I'm gonna try one.
Behind the scenes.
Hey, let's flick up real quick.
Right on the bump.
Yeah.
Ready?
You want to wait till we get in the gym?
Yeah, wait till we get in the gym.
Yeah, because we're here.